Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities Morning Podcast. In today's podcast, we would be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, the interim budget turned out to be a non-event, with Nifty ending the day 0.13% lower, while Bank Nifty outperformed, gaining 0.4%. The underperformance by Nifty was primarily due to the selling seen in LT, Ultratech Cement, Bajaj Finance and Titan. Coming to the macro factors, over the past fortnight, the dollar index has demonstrated range-bound moves between 103.5 and 103 levels, while the US 10-year bond yield fell below 3.9 levels. Meanwhile, Brent crude has once again re-entered its consolidation range of 75-80 dollars a barrel. This post inching higher towards 81.5 82 dollars a barrel a few days back, following the issues in the Red Sea. The movement of Brent crude needs to be carefully monitored, with it being one of the most important macroeconomic variables from the Indian context. A quick check on the global markets post the Fed policy. The S&P 500 had witnessed profit booking from higher levels and has taken support towards its 20-day EMA. However, in trade yesterday, it once again witnessed a positive rebound towards levels of 4,920. Looking at the larger picture, the trend continues to remain bullish, and until it remains above the levels of 4,800, 4,820, it can trend towards 5,030, 5,080 levels on the upside. Pressure will be seen below 4,800, where the next support is seen closer towards 4,710, 4,650 levels. Coming back to Nifty, taking the gap up opening into consideration, resistance is currently seen at 21,880, 21,900, while support is placed at 21,600 zone, which is the confluence of the 10 and 20-day EMA. In case 21,600 is breached, the index could witness a further slide towards 21,450, 21,400 zone on the downside. About 21,900, the index can witness an extension of the rally towards 20,070, 20,150 levels on the upside. Looking at the OI data, strong put writing is currently seen in 21,600 and 21,500 strikes, while on the call side it is majorly seen in 21,800 and 21,900 strikes. So the overall range could be 21,600 on the downside and 22,000 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, the zone of 46,500, 46,600 is likely to act as a resistance, while support is seen at the 10 EMA zone of 45,800, 45,900 levels. In case 45,800 breaks, the index can test its next support placed at 45,450, 45,400, which is also the 100 SMA. Above the level of 46,600, Bank Nifty could witness short covering move towards the levels of 47,100 on the upside. Looking at the PCR data for Bank Nifty, it currently stands at 0.75. Significant open interest built up is witnessed in 46,300, 46,500 calls, and a put side it is majorly seen in 46,000 and 45,800, implying a range of 45,800 on the downside and 46,700 on the upside for the day. The most noteworthy companies whose results are to be announced today are the likes of Indigo, LIC Housing Finance and Tata Motors. If you see in trade yesterday, there was strong traction which was seen in the auto pack. Maruti witnessed strong traction and joined the remaining auto counters such as Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto, which are already in positive momentum. We feel this strength will continue for the next few sessions in these counters. From the broader market, if we see, bullish setup was observed in Cipla, Power Grid, NTPC, HCL Tech, Motherson Sumi, Bank India, Delivery, PNB, Concor, Union Bank, Max Health, NMDC and Oil. Coming to the FII DI data, in the cash segment, FII sold to the tune of 1,879 crores, while DIIs bought to the tune of 872 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures improved to 31.35 on a net basis, this as they bought 7,011 index future contracts. On the stock futures front, FIs sold to the tune of 23,685 contracts, while on the options front, FIs bought 1,22,848 call contracts and bought 1,05,027 put option contracts. So, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.